What's up, guys? Welcome back to DIY Warrior Labs. Today, just finished up on the CNC and I'm doing a dry run. This is a 4x8 CNC machine capable of cutting roughly 4x7. This is my wonderful controller box. Can't see much at the moment. VFD not running because I'm running dry. Should be running a little smoother than that around those curves. That's some motor tuning needed done. But overall, I'm at a 97% chance of getting up and running now. I'm at 97% chance finished with my CNC. Running on linear rails, SBRUs, SBR20 blocks. My step, I know exactly why it's doing that. And this is why. I'm going to show you right now. That's the X, so I have to change my step and direction on there. Right at the moment, that's what the step and direction is looking like. I don't know if you can see that. I'll have to change that up so it don't put some more current to it. Running Novium 6-axis version 2 CNC controller. Some people say it's an issue with it. I haven't used it enough to notice any issues with it, but we'll find out. You know the saying, they like to say cheap Chinese stuff, but it may not be the pro who gets the job done, I guess, right? Yeah, that's step in that direction in the Z. See that? Definitely have to change that step in direction. The current, especially when you go around these corners, like right there, when you go around these curves, you can hear the motor. Supposed to literally cruise around those edges, those curves. You hear the sound of what sounded like a box. We're gonna fill that in with some stuff soon to kill that sound so have a more solid rather than that echoey. So I'm running these DM556 stepper motor drivers with 48 volt power supply and a 12 volt power supply. Power my CNC controller from Nivum, whatever you want to call it. My E-stop is switched up. Connect. All of my limit switches are connected. Stepper motors are all connected. Controller's running fairly good. But one thing left I have to install after I install the door will be these fans. I don't know if you can see that. But these are Ultra Flow, I want to say 80,000 CFM fan. I might be wrong, correct me in the comments. I'm new to CNCing, started in 2012. And this is where I am now. This is what I've learned. Been studying Mach 3, which is one of the most important things is learning the software. But this was my first CNC, which is a 318 CNC that I purchased at first. This is the first one that I put together and built. But I was forced to rebuild the controller, because the controller that I purchased, the controller that I received with this did not work at all, and I had issues getting another one from the vendor. So I end up building this. Now this controller is a 3-axis. It's running on, I want to say this Falcon. I call it a Falcon drive. And I'm not gonna say cheap because it works. It's been working ever since. So, and I have a stepper motor control for the spindle. And this is the first control I built. It worked fine. It worked great. Let me see that. 3 printer, you already know, Ender 3. Started on making some brackets to hold down those end stops, the limit switches. But this is the first control I built, which really fueled me to build my CNC, which in the process I was still buying all these parts. Linear rails, ball screws, and all that stuff for here. Slowly was buying everything I needed for here until I finished designing it, which was in SketchUp. And you know, it's finally built out to a point. I have to finish the tabletop, get it screwed down, get my work clamps and all that. And this is right here, Shopmight 4880. My next build would be the Shopmight 4848. After that, I'll be building the Shopmight 2448 and the 2424. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be building the little brothers and sisters to this big guy right here. It's my first CNC designed and built along with the controller. And I really encourage you to get out there and build your own CNC if you want to get into it. Reason why was the most important reason of learning CNC is that you will be your own technician. If there's any problems, you will be able, and you will be the one to troubleshoot it. Why? Because you built this machine. You wired up all the wiring and all that. So that being said, get out there and get into this CNC. Start your journey. Let me know what it's like. Tag me in it. Add me, subscribe, so that I can grow with you. This is not a demo version of Mach 3. I don't want to show my name, but it's not a demo version. Oh yeah, that's a touch screen. my scope fun S9 extended. Can't see it because I have stuff on it, but this is my scope fun S9 extended. There's a little stand there for to hold the computer. And we will be running a few projects on this soon. Put this on hold until. So stay tuned for another channel coming soon, which is WarriorLabs machines, CNC, laser engraving, and 3D printing. Right, so this is some of the stuff that I have done so far on the scope phone S9 extended. And there we go. She's running. So back to the scope fun. Here you have it, folks. DIY WarriorLabs. And she's done. Finished the dry run. Beautiful. Need to do a little bit more tuning when it comes to my x-axis. So this motor here is gonna need retuning. So I might have to retune it to match the X, the Y, and the Z, so that everything can run nice and smooth. Because I'm hearing that those glitches in the movement. But overall, other than my exhaust fan and bits, I'm gonna be running soon. Stay tuned for more. This is DIY WarriorLabs. I'm your host, Warrior. Thank you for stopping by, peoples. I really appreciate your support. And let me know what you think down there in the comments. I really appreciate it. Thanks again. Bye.